Hello, dear Hana Home Decor family. Creating a warm and charming English cottage kitchen design that feels like a cozy escape from a busy life is not just about decor, it's about capturing a lifestyle. Today, we are exploring the enchanting world of rustic cottage kitchens, which are inspired from the classic charm of the English countryside. So, we can imagine a kitchen where every corner has a story, each element reflects warmth and feels like a space to create memories. This video is a beautiful inspiration for the fans of cottagecore, or even if you just love the idea of a welcoming nostalgic kitchen, then this video is a beautiful piece of guide for you. Let's start with the basics of a cottagecore kitchen. It's about embracing a blend of rustic charm, practical tips, and the warmth of a well-loved space. This unique style reflects the nostalgia of older days and creates an warm and inviting environment that is cozy and functional at the same time, which lies at the heart of cottage style. In English cottage style kitchens, every piece feels purposefully crafted and personal, making the kitchen the heart of the home with cherished moments. A feature that defined the cottage kitchen decor is its use of natural materials, which enhances a rustic lived feel. For example, wood and stone, they both play a prominent role. English cottage kitchens have color palettes like cream sage and dusty blues, which add more vintage inspired charm to the kitchen. When we see the worn vintage drawers and antique accents, we feel like kitchen is a place that is thoughtfully created and chosen with care, creating unforgettable, welcoming atmosphere that captures the essence of cottagecore kitchens. Another amazing feature is open shelving, where you can display your beautiful china, vintage glassware, or hand-thrown ceramics, every item adding a unique story to your space. Open shelving not only display your personality but also makes practical items accessible, blending functionality with rustic charm. The gentle choice of colors bring a warm, cohesive look, enhancing the rustic, nostalgic charm of our English cottage-inspired space. Farmhouse sinks are a true staple of cottage-style kitchens. Lighting is also an essential in creating the perfect rustic cottage kitchen atmosphere. I hope you are liking the content which I am sharing. So please like, share and subscribe.